Hi guys, it's Dylan at Jordan Bikes, and today we have for sale this stunning Triumph Street Triple 765 RS. So this one is a 2018 on an 18 plate, and it's an 8,834 miles. But it's a stunning bike. It's a top of the range RS model. It's got the Arrow exhaust on this one. It's got the engine covers from Triumph. It's got the bobbins, a radiator guard, a seat cowl, plus the seat as well, and an Evotech tail tidy. It's also got these lovely LED Triumph upgraded indicators. And being the RS model, you get the quickshifter on here. You get the adjustable riding modes, you get the LED running lights on there, you get the full colour TFT display, you get the Ohlins rear shock, you get the Brembo monobloc brakes, and they're 121 claim brake horsepower. So they're an absolutely unreal bike. Really, really good value for money now as well. And if you do fancy it, do be quick, because these are one of our best selling bikes. Give us a call, I'll get down to the shop and get it bought. Cheers.
My name is Nick, and thank you so much for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb. We are really fussy, and it will come with a 3-month warranty. You can upgrade that to a 1-year or a 2-year warranty if you wish, and we offer finance and PCP subject to status. If you do want a more detailed walk around video looking at all the nooks and crannies, then give us a call and we can do that for you as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Give us a ring and buy it.